Everyone is talking about climate change. But first, what is our climate? And why is it changing? Climate is the Earth's normal weather. Yet recently, our climate is changing a much faster. All these changes makes life harder to plants, animals, or even to us humans.
Humans are increasingly influencing the climate in the Earth's temperature by burning fossil fuels, cutting down trees, and farming livestock. Humanity increased use of fossil fuel such as coal, oil, and gas to generate electricity, run cars, and other forms of transport and power manufacturing and industries causes climate change because of the carbon dioxide they're emitting. Deforestation causes climate change. Humans cut down forests for their own good. This adds an enormous amount of greenhouse gases to those not naturally occurring in the atmosphere, increasing greenhouse effect and global warming. The main driver of climate change is greenhouse effect. Some gases in the Earth's atmosphere act a bit like the glass in the greenhouse, trapping the sun's heat and stopping it from leaking back into space and causing global warming.
Humans and wild animals faces new challenges for survival because of climate change. More frequent and intense drought, storms, heat waves, rising sea levels, melting glaciers, and warming oceans can directly harm animals and destroy the places they live and wreak havoc on people's livelihood and communities. As climate change worsens, dangerous weather events are becoming more frequent or severe. Climate change is now considered one of the most threats to economic stability, as well as its serious impact on the environment and people. Heat waves is one of the effects of climate change, which makes us less able to work and reduce our productivity.
We all know that climate change is the result of global warming. It has become a very dangerous environmental issue which we must resolve as soon as possible. If we do not prevent it, it poses a serious threat to life on Earth in the forms of widespread flooding and extreme weather. We humans do our responsibility and to be willing to work together and perform different actions to help stop the climate change. To prevent the consequences of the climate change, I would like to propose a solution of it. The first solution is to encourage everyone to plant even more trees to create a fine balance in nature. Do not cut down more trees due to the fact that it will worsen the level of carbon dioxide in the air. Next is to stop burning garbages, most especially the plastics. Burning plastics can cause harm to our health. Next is to reduce using of electricity around the home. Next is take up the habit of recycling and reusing. Do not throw away things, instead learn to reuse them properly. And lastly, reduce using of vehicle in order to avoid pollution and poisonous gas into the atmosphere. Everyone will have to make effort to save the earth from climate crisis. Only then this planet will remain beautiful and lively.